Crocheted Lace Cords Tutorial 46. This time we will learn how to make this very beautiful crochet ribbon or tape with spirals. Later we will use it for our other bigger projects, and also I will show you how to make decorations and other beautiful things of this ribbon. To begin, make a foundation chain of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now double crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Now turn the work the way to have chain stitches on top. Chain 1 and continue into the chain space. Make 2 single crochet stitches. 1 and 2. Then half double crochet, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, treble crochet 3, yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch, 1, 2, and the last treble 3. Continue chain 1. Now turn the work clockwise to the back side and work through the stitches that we've just made. Work all the way till the end of this row. Make a single crochet through in each of next stitch in a row. Remember, working back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now turn the work clockwise, and I'm going to make a spiral. For this, chain 6. Now single crochet 3 through the second stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Continue, work 3 single stitches through in each of next 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Through the next stitch, work 3 single stitches, 1, 2, and 3. And the last chain stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Let's twist our spiral, and the spiral is ready. Now continue and work through 3 loops of stitches on row before the previous one. Here is a row single crochet stitches worked in back loops of stitches on row before the previous one. And now we're going to make another row of single crochet stitches working in 3 loops. Do not skip any stitches. Start from the first stitch. Here's my first free loop. Insert the hook and work a single crochet stitch through. Make a single crochet through in each free loop in a row. Now, here we have the chain stitch on the beginning of previous row. Insert the hook into the chain stitch and make a slip stitch through. Chain 4 and single crochet through the first chain stitch of foundation chain. Now turn the work to the back and let's make the same element but on the other side. Chain 1 and continue into the chain space. Make 2 single crochet stitches, half double crochet, double crochet 2, and treble crochet 3 times. Yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. 1, 2, and the last treble 3. Continue, chain 1 and work through the stitches that we've just made. Work all the way till the end of this row. Make a single crochet through in each of next stitch in a row and remember working back loops. Now turn the work clockwise and I'm going to make a spiral. Chain 6, then single crochet 3 through the second stitch away from the hook. And continue, work 3 single stitches through in each of next 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Through the next chain stitch, work 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And the last chain stitch, 1, 2, and 3. The spiral is ready. Now continue your work through 3 loops of stitches on row before the previous one. Make a single crochet through in each free loop in a row. Now insert the hook into the chain stitch and make a slip stitch through. Continue chain 4 and single crochet through 2 single crochet stitches at once. Insert the hook in 2 top strands of the first single crochet, then through top 2 strands of the second one, yarn over and work a single crochet through. We've finished the second element from the other side. From the left and the right we have spirals. Here you can see 2 rows of single crochet stitches. They make our ribbon more interesting. Continue making same motifs until your ribbon will be long enough for your projects. I made the same ribbon shown in this tutorial of rainbow color thread. It has spirals on the sides and looks the same from back and front. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy more free tutorials.